watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Hello and welcome. As the days grow longer and the sun shines brighter, it's the perfect time to refresh our living spaces with light and breezy summer touches. In today's video, we'll explore 20 simple and elegant decorating ideas that will infuse your home with the warmth and charm of summer. These ideas are easy to implement and perfect for creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Let's dive in. Line up with white linens. Swap out heavy fabrics for white or light-colored linens to create an airy feel. Incorporate natural elements. Use materials like rattan, jute, or bamboo in your decor to bring in natural textures. Add fresh greenery. Place potted plants or fresh flowers around your home to bring in a touch of nature. Utilize sheer curtains. Replace heavy drapes with sheer curtains to allow more natural light to filter in. Decorate with coastal colors. Incorporate blues, whites, and sandy neutrals to evoke a beachy vibe. Display seashells and driftwood. Use collected seashells or driftwood as decorative accents on shelves or tables. Create a summer centerpiece. Arrange fresh fruits like lemons or limes in a bowl for a vibrant table centerpiece. Use lightweight throws. Drape light cotton or linen throws over sofas and chairs for comfort without the heat. Incorporate wicker baskets. Use wicker baskets for storage or as decorative elements to add texture. Hang botanical prints. Decorate walls with botanical or floral prints to bring in a garden feel. Refresh with scented candles. Use candles with scents like citrus or lavender to create a fresh ambience. Set up an outdoor seating area. Create a cozy outdoor space with comfortable seating for enjoying summer evenings. Use light-colored rugs. Replace dark rugs with light-colored ones to brighten up the floor space. Decorate with glass vases. Fill clear glass vases with fresh flowers or greenery for a simple touch. Incorporate nautical elements. Add subtle nautical touches like rope accents or anchor motifs for a seaside feel. Display summer-themed art. Hang artwork that depicts summer scenes or landscapes to set the mood. Use open shelving. Display summer-themed dishes or decor on open shelves for easy access and style. Add a pop of color. Introduce bright accent colors like coral or turquoise through pillows or accessories. Incorporate mirrors. Use mirrors to reflect light and make spaces feel larger and more open. Create a summer reading nook. Set up a comfortable chair with good lighting and a small table for leisurely reading. Thank you for joining me on this journey to refresh our homes for the summer season. I hope these ideas inspire you to create a space that's both comfortable and reflective of the beauty of summer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home decorating tips. Until next time, enjoy the sunshine and happy decorating.